Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. New and latest beautiful capsule fashion style ideas and beautiful wear and enjoy your capsule shrug is now ready to wear and add a cozy layer outfits and different blocking is optional but can help shapes and smooth out your crochet work. Follow the blocking and instruction in your pattern or blow the shrug by soaking it, shaping it and allowing it to dry. It is an beautiful ideas and beautiful style. Like, feel free to customize your shrug by experimenting with different yarns, weights, stitch patterns and embellishments. Crocheting a shrug like capsule shrugs allows you to create a versatile garments that can be dressed up or down for various occasions. Capsule. Crocheting a capsule, also known as a caplet, is a lovely and particular project that provides warmth while adding style to your outfits. Here are a basic guide to outfits, a simple capsule and like different and beautiful ideas and beautiful styles, looks and different shapes and different style and women fashion ideas. So I hope you like